Hey guys, if you're experiencing avatar issues in Roblox, it's either not loading or you're having trouble changing it, then stick around because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a few solutions to help you get your avatar back up and running. Now I'm going to be explaining this for a computer, but the same steps can be applied to your mobile devices too. So the first quick and easy thing to try is to come up to this cog icon here and click that, and we want to go to log out. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to create a new account, or if you have one already, then simply log in with the new account. Now, once we've logged back in, if you just come over to the left-hand side and click Avatar. Now, as you can see here, it's working for me, and if it's working for you, all you simply need to do is log out of the new account and back into your original account, and now it should be working. Now, if you're still having avatar issues, the next thing we need to do is make sure we have a strong and stable internet connection. We can check this by opening an internet browser and typing in the URL speedtest.net. Now we want to click on Go to run the test. And in order to run Roblox efficiently, they suggest a minimum internet connection of 4 to 6 megabytes per second. So what we're looking for here is a download speed of anything above 4 megabytes per second. As you can see here, my download speed is 8.47, so it's above the minimum requirement, so we can rule out any connection issues. And once we've tested the internet connection, the next thing we can try is clearing our browser cache. Cache data is basically just a temporary file that is stored on our computers to help speed up our browsers and applications, but sometimes it can be the cause of many issues. To clear your cache data, and we can do this on both a phone and a desktop, we need to come over to the three little dots here, and we want to select Clear Browsing Data. From here, we want to make sure we've got selected cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and then just select Clear Data. Once we've done that, we'll need to restart our internet browsers, and then we can log back into Roblox to see if the issue is fixed. Alternatively, you can also try using a different internet browser, as sometimes specific browsers could be causing the avatar failing to load. The last possible solution is that the servers may have encountered a problem when trying to create the thumbnail for your avatar. If that is the case, then all we need to do is regenerate them. To do that, simply head over to the avatar section, and then we want to scroll down and select Avatar isn't loading correctly, and then just select the redraw button. This can take a few minutes to complete, but this should fix the issue 99% of times. Now, hopefully your avatar issues have been solved, but if you still are experiencing problems, then drop a comment below and I will try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Until next time.